Did you know there is a lot of waste in companies? No, I'm not talking about waste bins, I'm talking about activities that a company does that is not adding value for the customer. Hi, my name is Martijn and welcome to this interactive video about the 8 wastes of lean. But first, do you know what lean is? Lean is a way of thinking where a whole company focuses on creating value for the customer. As a company, you want to create maximum value with minimum effort. This creates higher quality, shorter lead times, and lower costs. What did you answer? 50% waste? 70%? Did you know that in production companies it's a whopping 95%? 95% of everything a company does in production isn't adding value for the customer. So that concludes the explanation of lean and the Tim Woods model. Let's see if you can recognize these wastes in a real company. Will you be able to recognize them all? Alright, let's go! Welcome to this company. We are going to visit different departments in this company. We will visit the production area, we will visit the warehouse department, and we will check out the office. All these locations have different kinds of waste, and you will be able to walk around and see if you can find these wastes. Select one of the departments on this map. Welcome to the office of this company, where people do everything to make sure that the processes run smoothly for the customer. Watch carefully, what types of waste do you recognize and how do they relate to the Tim Woods model? Good luck!